Boy, I would never take an order like this. $13.50 for 11 miles. But you know what the crazy part is? I'm actually heading back that way. This is wild.
We don't do no hold up. Get too close, I got some killers with me that'll tell you hold up.
19 bucks on Grubhub, $20.50 on Doordash, another 35 on Walmart Spark. Let's go ahead and unpause this Doordash. 10 minutes later, finally got the damn order, man. It took them hellas to get that order out. This is absolutely crazy. They messed up my timing, but you know what? At least the order going right here to the college campus, which is right behind McDonald's, so that's good. But man, I probably should have turned on DoorDash and got something else and came back to McDonald's.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We got $25 for 6 miles, double shopping order on Walmart Spark, and we got our first DoorDash order in like a whole month. $7, 2 miles, 2 separate customers, but one customer is like right by the pickup, so it's like technically it's really like I'm still going the same distance, but it's 2 customers, don't get me wrong, but one customer is directly across the street. So we already got the DoorDash orders dropped off. I'm heading to my second drop off for this Walmart Spark order, double batched order. 4 customers, 1 hour, 32 bucks, let's get it. I'm finna see how much money I can make with DoorDash though, specifically because it's been a minute and I think everybody who got their acceptance rate reset has probably came down a little bit. So let's see if we can make a couple dollars out here. I just got $10, 3 miles, 1 customer. Finna knock this out. You see, I got my shit set up in the back. Matter of fact, let me go back there and open it up. Hopefully they bring it out quick. Ain't too many drivers up here yet. There we go. Now my DoorDash shift ended. I got that 1 order done, but let's go ahead and see if I'm gonna be able to get back in there. Ooh, it looks like I actually can get back in there. Perfect. So it's saying I can get back in there, earn by offer. I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna pause myself immediately. So we're gonna get in there. Then I'm gonna pause myself immediately. 45%, I'll take that. Let's go ahead and pause it so I can get this Spark order dropped off. We still within the first hour. The time right now is 11:59. So it's been an hour and 10 minutes. We already got 32 bucks on the board, and now this one finna give me another 10. That'll put me at 42. And then let's see if we can maybe, I don't know, I'm probably gonna shoot right back over here, grab another Spark order if they send me a good round robin. We'll see. I'm almost to my Walmart Spark delivery. Let's go ahead and unpause DoorDash, see what we get. Might get something good.
Hard brake detected.
Hard brake detected. Boy, if you don't get off my damn nutsack, DoorDash. Hell yeah, it was a hard brake detected. Let me turn that shit off. They got me messed up. Driving insights. Nope, I don't need none of that. I don't need none of that. Matter of fact, that's the last thing I need. Boy, I would never take an order like this. $13.50 for 11 miles. But you know what the crazy part is? I'm actually heading back that way. This is wild. $13.50, 11.5 miles. I'm about to take it. I'm about to take it because this Walmart Spark order brung me down this way. Let me make sure. Yep, I'm right here by Cracker Barrel. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and take it.
Come on, man.
That's crazy. I normally never take orders like that. $13.50 for 11 miles, but this one is bringing me back to where I need to go. So you know what? I'm gonna do it this time. Maybe a mile away from Cracker Barrel. I want to get orders done on DoorDash. I want to keep myself busy, yes. But I don't think I'm losing money on this order because I even though it's 1-to-1 miles to money ratio, yes. But like I said, I was gonna be heading back up that way anyways because the drop off for this order is in the hot spot past Walmart by Chick-fil-A. So I'm like, look, if this order is taking me up the way I already gotta go, I might as well go ahead and get that money. And the thing is, Walmart's back up that way. All the other food merchants are back up that way. So either way it go, I was gonna be driving those miles. Now I'm just getting paid to do it. Let's head up in here and see if they got this ready. Oh, look like he's stopping. That's okay.
Right?
Yep.
This sweet little old lady thanks you.
I got you. No problem. Anytime. Anytime. All right. Let's see if they got this order for Zach. Good old Zach. Oh, I see your order. You see one for Zach? See a Zachary? That's a Zachary.
Guys, girls, yeah. All right.
I'm looking for this
I
one.
got Logan. All right, you can have it. Zachary and Logan, both of you. Okay.
Thank you.
No.
Excusez-moi. Alright, we got the order out. Y'all know I normally do not take offers like this. $13.50 for 11 miles.
You're broke!
But you know what? It worked out perfectly this time. We pulling up to the drop-off right now, and I'm already on my way to the next order. We got a Grubhub order. It said $9 for 7 miles, but it wasn't really because it was calculating from where I was coming from with this Cracker Barrel order. So I'm like 2 miles away from McDonald's. I've already paused Doordash, and we finna head right over there. This one is probably going towards the college campus, but you know what? Once I get close to that McDonald's and I pick that order up, I'm gonna turn Doordash back on and just see if I can get something else, because I think this is gonna be a quick pickup and drop off for the Grubhub order. Let's see, 1477. This is my drop off right here. Okay, I passed up their driveway, so you know what? We just gonna throw it in park right here. Get up to this door, get the picture and the drop off. Let's see, leave at door. I love it. I love it when it's leave at door. That's perfect. Man, I'm back stuck. What's this? My third Doordash order? Yep. Order number 3. Get the picture. Oh man, y'all. Yeah, we just ran into our first wait. Man, I had this order for hellas and they ain't even started on this mug yet. This is crazy. It's a whole little group of little kids in there. They got like 10, 20 orders up on the screen. Now, I've been doing good with Grubhub. Like, I don't want to unassign this mug, but I'm going to tell you what I will do is, I already know this one going back to the college campus. Let me see what's going on. I might just go ahead and unpause myself on Doordash. I got like 40 minutes left. I might just go ahead and unpause myself and see if I can get something else. Because I don't know, man. You know, I dropped off that other order, that Cracker Barrel order. And I thought they would have had this one ready sitting on the rack. That ain't the case. So we're going to see what's up. We at the 2-hour mark right now. And let's see, we made $20.50 on Doordash so far. 35 on, no, 35 on Spark. So 35 on Spark, another $20.50. So we looking at $55.50 so far. This $10 order put me at $65 in the first 2 hours. So I'm really trying to knock this out. But that's what I'm working with. I'm going to go back in here and see if they got it ready. But if not, we're going to be unpausing this bad boy. 10 minutes later, finally got the damn order, man. It took them hellas to get that order out. This is absolutely crazy. They messed up my timing, but you know what? At least the order going right here to the college campus, which is right behind McDonald's. So that's good. But man, I probably should have turned on Doordash and got something else and came back to McDonald's. But you know what? You live and you learn. We here now. We finna go ahead and get this dropped off and see what we can get left before our Doordash shift in. Just dropped off this order, this college campus. Grubhub got me entering a code, man. These customers must be up here scamming, lying and saying they ain't getting their food. Now, I know Doordash just introduced it. Uber Eats been doing it for a long time. But my thing is, it didn't even give me no way to get out of it. Like, what if they would have never showed up with the code? I'm clicking all the fucking buttons. All that shit. It ain't no way. You basically got to sit there and wait for them to come with that code, or you never gonna be able to do your next delivery. It is no way to hit support, no way to do nothing. I'm like, what is this? I'm like, bro, I'm not about to sit here and wait for these people. Luckily they came down, but Grubhub, y'all gonna have to fix that shit, because ain't no way I'm finna just be waiting on customers to come down from out of the dorm or out of the house because you requesting the code. I get why you doing the code, but what you need to understand is, look, you're gonna have to do some type of time limit, you know, something to make it to where, look, if this customer don't come down in a certain amount of time, you know, they asked out. Now, they did say right there that they doing it to prevent wrongful penalties and yada, yada, yada. People trying to report, they trying to make sure that they don't have to refund that customer if they try to lie and say they didn't get it. I understand that. And they trying to save you from being penalized as a driver. I understand that as well. But I'm just saying, look, once I get there and I'm at the delivery destination, I shouldn't be locked in, just standing there in a weird place trying to complete this delivery. Give me some type of time limit. Give me some type of something to get me out of this order in the event that the customer do not come down. Now, I did unpause DoorDash, but I had to pause it right away because we got another $9 order going 6 miles, but it's not really, the most of the mileage is heading over there. Another $9 Grubhub order. So I said, you know what? Let's snatch that. That'll put me over 70 bucks. And I need that because waiting on this damn McDonald's order, then waiting for that pin code crap, they doing too much. I need to keep these wheels rolling. So I said, you know what? They want to send me a keep my wheels rolling order. I'm gonna go ahead and take it. And I still got my shit. I still got about 22 minutes left on this DoorDash shift. So I should be able to get at least one more order. But I'm glad that I'm doing this Grubhub instead because DoorDash is known to send you a 10+ mile delivery, which they already just did. And I ain't trying to see no more of those. I'm trying to do what I can do, but keep the miles low. And the best way to do that is to use DoorDash in the middle of my money deliveries. Because look, that $13.50 for 11 miles, that's the most mileage I'm trying to do today for all my DoorDash orders. And they gave me that in one shebang. So, you know, it is what it is. I made $20.50 with DoorDash, and I appreciate that, adding it on to the daily earnings. But look, I gotta charge up this power station. I gotta charge up both of my phones. I ain't trying to get another 10-mile trip taking me 10 miles away from the crib. I'd rather stay right here in this little area. If anything, I might just click on Spark and do another Spark offer because I turned it off. Once the DoorDash orders and the Grubhub orders start rolling in, I turned Spark off. Because, you know, Spark is the kind of app where you don't really got to worry about the time of day. It's just a matter of, is it volume at the Walmart you posted up at or not? And at this point, now I was like, you know what? I got the first order. I got a little ASAP order. Let me switch gears and do these other apps so that they don't have me sitting in that parking lot waiting. So you know what? We heading to Hawaiian Bros. Get our second Grubhub order today. Let's get it. Couple Sparks, couple DoorDashes, couple Sparks, couple DoorDashes, couple Grubhubs, and we good to go.
There you go.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Thank you. Don't you just love a good old curbside pickup, or drive-through pickup, I should say. That's the best kind of pickups right there. Let's go ahead and get this one dropped off real quick. We got 13 minutes left on the DoorDash schedule. We might be able to pull one more order out. Who knows? We made it to our Grubhub drop off. Looks like it's this little Anderson Care building right here. No biggie. Let's go ahead and get it up in there. They say leave it at the Care desk and take a picture, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. We got 8 minutes left until we gotta unpause ourselves on DoorDash. 19 bucks on Grubhub, $20.50 on DoorDash, another 35 on Walmart Spark. Let's go ahead and unpause this DoorDash and see what we get. We got 13 minutes left. Ooh, nice little red zone. Okay, it's 1:28. We only got 2 minutes left. I need to head home. Look, I'm about to charge up this power station, charge up the phone I'm recording with and this phone I'm working with, and I can come back out in a couple hours. Now, I will say this zone down here, look, it just turned gray. But that one blinks red more than my home zone, so I might go down there and try to get a few offers down there. And then maybe I can, you know, make a couple dollars, keep these wheels rolling. But look, if I have to, I will quickly turn on Spark because it's a Walmart down there too. So let's go ahead and go over everything real quick. So DoorDash, we did $20.50. Let's see, let me get my calculator. We did $20.50 right there. $18.90 on Grubhub, but I'm gonna just call that 19. So 19 plus 20.5, and then I think I did 25 and 10, so that's 35. So plus 35. Walmart Spark. So it looks like we did $74 in 2 hours and 30 minutes. Not bad. 2 hours and 30 minutes, 75 bucks, 74.5, but basically 75 bucks. I can dig it. Multi-app for the win, guys. Come on. This is what I'm talking about, bro. Cause look, I've been doing Walmart Spark only for like the last month and a half, bro, and that shit is boring. Sitting in the Walmart parking lot, just waiting on a round robin just to get skipped over, or getting sent a billion ASAP orders that's either upside down or don't make sense, or just a complete waste of time. Half of these orders, you know, they be 18 to 20 stops, barely 1-to-1 miles to money ratio, and they talking about 3 hours. Like, nobody doing that. So it's nice to get my multi-app and muscle back in gear. You know, working 3 apps at one time. I kind of been finding myself catching headaches being out in this Walmart parking lot, bro. Like, I'm not lying. Walmart kind of give me a headache. I like the money, the cash flow be good, but then sometimes when you sit there and you get skipped over, you be like, man, I'm about to go home. Or you drive all the way to another Walmart just to sit there and not get an order. Like, it gets old real fast. So it's nice and refreshing to do something different, get my food delivery muscles, my multi-app muscles back in gear. Look, if you made it this far in the video, do me a favor, hit that like and that subscribe button, and let me know how you like to work when you out making your money. Are you a single apper, a multi-apper, a top dasher, bottom dasher? You in the Spark Driver program? What you got, platinum? What you, a premier Grubhub driver? What are you? What you got going on? You got pro on Uber? Let me know something. But let me know it in the comments below, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.